students, your daily presentation and looking after the video is much imperative, and I am also ready to teach all your questions, and I am also ready to solve your asking questions. As you study in the junior class from class 8, class 10th and now in class 12th, the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is, as you study in the junior class, that Ohm's law stated as at constant temperature, the potential difference is directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor. That can be written mathematically as V vary as R. And also we define the law of Ohm's as at constant temperature that electric current of the conductor is the ratio of potential difference and the resistance, and there so on. We may derive it in at least 3 steps. Now I am coming in front of you ओम्स के नियम का परमाणुवीय स्पष्टीकरण, एटॉमिक एजम्पशंस ऑफ Ohm's law. Consider A, the cross section area of the bulb, freely suspended things of the bulb. Its shape and size is cylindrical in shape, but here I place their uppermost or lowermost circular parts, on which this capital E is the electrical intensity is putting due to electric field, and Q charge is applied over this bulb. So this dotted line is the electric field due to electric intensity after applying the Q charge. Let charge movement is the escape distance, which is Vd charge move is Vd del T, where escape distance within the del T time. Here I also define the term Vd is equal to as the escape velocity, where Vd is escape velocity. Velocity, that is अनुगमन वेग. It is also known as अपवाह वेग. अपवाह वेग. Length of charge. Length of charge. Length of charge is Vd del t. Del t, because charge move Vd del t, escape velocity is this, and the charge of length according to the length of this circular path, that is the circumference, that can be written here V is Vd del t, del t, and their volume is this A Vd del t. Let n is the electrons which are present per volume of the conductor. Hence, number of electrons in this surface is number of electrons in this surface is this surface is n A Vd del t, that is number of electrons in the surface of the bulb. Consider electrons transverse A in del t time. Consider electrons transverse A in del t time. Therefore, value of charge equal to n a dv del t into electrons, n a Vd del t into E, number of electrons in their volume, means Q equal to Na Vd del t into E. Therefore, we know that charge flow per second in a conductor is called current. Therefore, I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T, or I equal to del Q upon del T in the very minimum scale of amount, then we write here कि Q del Q upon T, del Q upon T, that means the current passing in the conductor with respect to given charge within the time period, or this very values also indicates Q, that very this is written as NAVD del T upon E into E upon del T. This may cancelled. Therefore, it become I equal to del Q upon del T is NAVD into E. I equal to this value. It clear that electric current in a conductor, the electrons are inversely proportional to the escape velocity. हम लोग जानते हैं कि किसी भी कंडक्टर में जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है वह एस्केप वेलोसिटी के एस्केप वेलोसिटी के इन्वर्स प्रोपोर्शनल होता है, इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. इट मीन्स हियर आई राइट this relations as electric current is inversely proportional to the escape velocity. Therefore, VD equal to electric current inversely proportional to the escape velocity, that is VD equal to E. This E is intensity and time T upon mass of the object. If we replace it in front of this value of equation first and equation second, then equation second may be written as the ratio of this number of electrons with respect to their mass, that can be written L equal to escape velocity, this circular path, that can be written as L equal to AVD into N E upon mass. If E equal to intensity E equal to, with respect to the density of the bulb, that can be written as V by L. V by L. So L equal to A n number of electrons E square tau into volume of the bulb upon ml. Volume of the bulb upon ml. So L equal to this, and that can be also written A n E square tau into V upon ml. If here we study about this structure in this connection, L equal to this value upon m, and this also represent here A n E square tau into V, that can be eliminated V tau n by ml. This is the form where V is separated in multiple, because we have to study about the certain volume, how many number of electrons and the length of the bulb is present, that is L. This value is L equal to V. That qualify about the electric current inversely proportional to the escape velocity is L vary as V. According to this resultant of atomic explanation of Ohm's law, which stated that the length of conductor or a bulb is directly proportional to the escape velocity. Length of the conductor is directly proportional to the escape velocity. This resultant explain about the length of conductor is directly proportional to the escape velocity, that is L vary as Vd or L vary as V. L variage Vd or L variage V. This is the atomic assumptions of Ohm's law. ओम्स लॉ, ओम के नियम का परमाणुकीय स्पष्टीकरण जो आपके सामने है वह किसी फ्रीली सस्पेंडेड सिलिंड्रिकल बॉब पर निकाला गया है और यहाँ पर जो ये स्फेरिकल पार्ट देख रहे हैं, इट इज़ द अपर एंड लोअर spherical surface है. Now tomorrow I am also present in front of you with some questions regarding with current electricity and for your next coming I am very much glad and assure your good future and also appeal to you, please, if the plan and this atomic assumptions of Ohm's law is beneficial and attractive to you, then at first subscribe, like and share it